What's up, guys, and how are you all doing? Now let's imagine, let's think about this. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you want to trade, okay, or you've taken a trade already, like in this case, as you can see on your screen, and you are just projecting to make just 20% of whatever capital you are using for that very trade. All right. Now, if you're using $100, 20% of $100 will give you $20 profit, right? Now, your challenge, if my guess is as good as yours, is that how are you going to get the exit price, which will be equivalent to that $20 which you are projecting to be as your profit? How are you going to set that exit price? Okay, and that's what you're going to be learning in this very short tutorial. I'm going to show you two ways to go about this. Do you understand? So make sure you watch this video to the very end in order to understand how to go about this using two methods. All right, so let's have a look at how to go about this. First thing you have to note is your leverage. All right, in this very ongoing trade now, the leverage is 50x. All right, and I'm projecting to make just 20%. Do you understand? So let's go to our calculator. I'm projecting to make how much? 20%, right? So it will be the projected take profit. Okay, the projected take profit percentage, like in my case 20%, it will be 20%. Okay, it will be 20%. All right, so which is 20 divided by your leverage, whatever percentage you are projecting to make as your take profit. All right, divided by your leverage for that very trade. So it will be 20 in my own case, which is 20%, divided by my leverage. My leverage is 50. I'm getting 0.4%, right? 0.4%. Okay, now let me copy the 0.4. So let's go back to our trade. Now take note, my entry price is 0.27871. 0.27871. Back to our calculator. My entry price is 0.27871, right? Now you're going to multiply this, your entry price, by that value you got before now. In my own case, it is 0.4. Okay, now you will now add the percentage symbol, which is this. Okay, now what did we get? We got 0.00111,484. 0.00111,484. Copy it. All right, then erase this part, change it to plus. That multiplication sign, change it to plus. You may ask, why are we using plus? We're using plus because in that very ongoing trade of mine, the position there is long. All right, it's long, not short. So whenever your position is long, use plus, and if your position is short, use minus. Do you understand? So please take note of that. So you erase that that multiplication sign and change it to plus. Okay, then paste that value you copied before now, the second value you copied before now, paste it. Can you see this? So this is now our projected take profit, or our targeted take profit, or if you like, you can call it targeted exit price. Okay, so you copy it, go back to your trade, then click on stop profit and loss. Stop profit and loss, click on it. Click on position TP/SL. Then come over here where you have take profit, which is the first session, and paste that that value you got. Okay, paste it. Can you see this? So it means when the price gets to 0.27982, okay, when it appreciates or increases to 0.27982, I'm going to make 0.02 USDT as my profit. All right, so 0.02 USDT, which will be my profit or my exit price, or yes, my take profit or my targeted exit price, will now be my profit. Okay, so it means 20% of the capital I'm using for this very trade, which I'm using as an example. Okay, and remember the capital is 0.10, which is 10 cents. All right, so 20% of 0.10, let's do the calculation. The capital I'm using for that very trade is 0.10, right? Okay, now times, I want to make 20% of my capital, times 20% gives you 0.02, right? 0.02 USDT as my profit. Now, in terms of the price of the asset I'm trading, okay, in terms of the price of the asset I'm trading, my projected take profit will be 0.27982, just as we got from our calculation, right? So whenever the price gets to this value, I'm going to make 0.02 USDT, meaning I have made 20%. I hope you understand. So all you have to do at this point now is to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, then it means you have set your take profit. Do you understand? So this is how you calculate take profit or targeted exit price. Do you understand? From your entry price. So let me show you the second way to go about this.